Hello YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Be Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe for more videos. So I'm here today with a new handbag video. I recently purchased 2 handbags from the Senreve brand. I am really loving that brand, and I took advantage of a deal that they were giving a really nice gift with your purchase. So I initially was just gonna buy one, but then I went ahead and got a second bag that same weekend, so I was able to get the really nice gift twice for both my orders. So I always like to, purchase things from that website when there is a really nice gift with purchase. And then you can also really easily find a coupon code that takes off like 50 bucks on that brand. So I also really like to take advantage of that. So now let's get started with this video, and I'm going to share with you guys my new Senreve handbag. So this right here is the first handbag, and the very first thing I wanted to share with you guys is how they changed their dust bag. Now they are this nice beige color with the white letters, whereas before they were this gray color with the white letters. So I was actually pleasantly surprised that they had made a nice little change to the dust bag. So I thought it was really, really beautiful. As always, these bags arrive in a beautiful box, and everything is just like so pretty organized, and I absolutely love that. Of course, this is not really an unboxing because I couldn't contain myself and I've already peeked at the bags. So the very first thing with the bag that caught my attention, I think, is obviously the color. I had never seen this color before. This is a raspberry color. I feel like in the past they've had a color similar to this in the pebbled leather, but this time this one is in the Dolce leather, which is a little bit softer than the pebbled. And this is the mini Maestra bag. I already have this one in chestnut color, which is like a brown that I absolutely love, that comes in the pebbled. So I thought to myself, I didn't think it was a bad idea to get the same handbag in another color because it's another leather, and the raspberry comes with gold hardware. I haven't even taken off the tags because I just really wanted to show you. And like when you make those big purchases, you kind of just like keep the tags on just to be sure that you want to keep it and you don't want to return it. But definitely I really, really love this bag, and I think that for this color I was in between this one and the Aluna, which also came in that raspberry color, and I ended up going with this one because I figured I wanted to wear it a little bit more often, pretty much take it into from day even to night, and I felt that for the daytime this one will be better because you can hold a lot more things in this one, obviously, than in the Aluna. So here is the chestnut color of the mini Maestra, and I just kind of wanted to share it with you guys next to the raspberry. This one is in the pebbled leather, and this one is in the Dolce leather. The Dolce leather is a little bit softer than the pebbled, even though the pebbled is an amazing leather. It's definitely like one of my go-to leathers, and this chestnut is definitely one of my go-to colors. And I tend to kind of invest more in nice bags in neutral colors because I feel that you can use them. But for some reason I felt that this raspberry color is a color that is not really going to go out of style. I mean, whether I want to use it more in the fall than maybe I would in the summer, I feel it's kind of like, how red never really goes out of style. You can always bust out a red bag. I kind of felt that you can pretty much do the same with this one. And I only have one other Dolce bag, and that one I have in the ARIA belt bag. I didn't have a bigger bag in the Dolce material, and it's just really nice. You definitely see the difference. You can tell the leather is a lot softer and just like a lot smoother. So I was really, really excited about the bag. So the handbag is exactly the same from the other mini Maestra, whereas the snap here is magnetic because it's a smaller one. If you go up in size, the mini Maestra or the big Maestra, it is not magnetic. You actually have to put it through, the little holes like you do in the strap right here. What I love about this bag is that you can use it any way that you like. You can use it with the straps as a backpack, as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody, and I have something to tell you guys about the second one with the strap. That was actually a little bit disappointing, but I'll talk about that later when I talk about the second bag. But as far as this one, I have no complaints. The inside is the same. It has the beautiful kind of like that suede that is really nice in the blue. I actually would love it if they would like venture towards like another interior color for some reason. And I still have this nicely packed. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and link my other 2 Senreve video. I think I have like 2 or 3, but but I'll link the ones that are most relevant so you can see exactly, you know, the size comparisons between the different Maestra bags. And I just give also a lot of details just in case you also want to check it out. But you see, this is the interior of the bag. What's so amazing about these bags is that they're so good for organizing yourself. If you are a fanatic of organizing, you know, your stuff inside your handbag, then these I definitely recommend. This one has a zipper right here. It has a zipper there. It has 2 pockets on one side. It has 3 pockets on the other side. And then it also has like a nice little sleeve here where you can probably fit a smaller iPad. And I just think it's just like a great size of a handbag. This is a nice bag where if you don't want to carry something so big, but you still want good enough amount of space, then this is a really good choice. And I just absolutely love it. I would say it is definitely one of my favorite models from the brand, and I was just in love with this color. I think it's like a nice vibrant color for the fall, and I'm so excited to start wearing it. And the second bag I purchased also came in a really pretty beige dust bag, and that bag is the Aluna. I got the Aluna. This is a regular size Aluna, not the mini Aluna, in the sand color, which is the taupe color that looks like this, which I am obsessed with this color. I find that they have really beautiful selections of color in their brand. A lot of them don't come in all the colors or all the different, you know, materials. I guess like there's like the pebbled, there's a dolce, you know, they have the dragon leather, they also have vegan leathers. So not all combinations are available in all styles, but I find that the Aluna has a lot of options. And this one also came in the raspberry, but for this one I really wanted a smaller handbag in this more neutral color. I love the taupe. This is a color that I also have the midi Maestra, and I wear it all the time. I think it's a very versatile color, and I absolutely loved this model. This is actually my second Aluna bag. I also have it in the pebbled black leather, which I have used so much, and I absolutely love it. I have a feeling, and I don't know yet because I have really not used the Aluna bag, but I find that since I have this in the midi Maestra color, the midi Maestra is a little bit bigger than the raspberry one that I have, and that one I have used for every day. I have used it a lot. I have not really taken care of the bag. It has been through everything. I've taken it on trips, and the color maintains itself so well. Even though it is a lighter color, I find that it really can like sustain any type of weather, any type of use, and you won't even notice. There's not one scratch, and the stitching stays perfectly. So that is why I kind of went with this one in that same color, just like the chestnut, just because they last so well, and I just don't see any damage, no color transfer from the jeans, nothing. And I actually find that with the black color, which you would think that a black color could not be destroyed, but I do notice some wear and tear in the stitching of the black one. So I'm not sure if I would go ahead and buy another black bag in the pebbled, just because the stitching, and this actually happened to me when I first got my black Aluna, the initial one I received, I returned it because I did notice some little white marks in the stitching. It's very subtle, but you can definitely see like little stitching around the bag. I can see it's already a little bit white or more pale. I don't know if it changes color or from the wear and tear. And then I returned it. I got a new one that was perfect, but I see that it is already happening to my black one. So you do see up close, you know, some little white little details that shouldn't be in the bag. Whereas the light colors, I feel like that doesn't happen. It doesn't show in this. And I have used the chestnut, I have used the taupe so much, and they're like perfect. I don't see any little detail just because the stitching on these is already like the same color as the purse, so it blends in so nicely. Whereas I feel like some of the stitches in the black one have already turned another color, and you can definitely notice those tiny little details. So again, love the Aluna though. I love this bag. I love this color. I did notice some differences from my old Aluna to my new Aluna. Even like just a little bit like with the size. Don't you feel like this one is a little bit bigger? I feel like the taupe one may be a little bit bigger. And I also noticed that the little metallic clasp has changed a little bit. This one has kind of like a little lip on the top, whereas this one is more flat, like it's just a flat metallic clasp. And then this one has like a little bit of a different detail in the top part of the of the end that is ties around here. But again, this is a bag that I absolutely love. I think this is a great one for casual, for going out at night. It fits a decent amount of stuff. Here is the interior of the bag. As you can see, there is a zipper on one side and then there is a pocket on the other side. Of course, it is not the same capacity as the mini Maestra because this is definitely a smaller type of bag, but I think it fits a nice amount that you can really, pretty much, you could even use this for during the day if you narrow down, the things that you carry in your purse. But I absolutely love it. And I just think this is a very versatile model. I actually like the Aluna model. I like the ARIA belt bag, of course. I love it, but I feel like the ARIA can get a little bit small for me, whereas the Aluna, I think, is like a great size that you can take to day and night. Again, the strap that originally, I also bought the statement strap, which I have a lot to tell you on that. This also comes with, like this size with the strap on the back, just like the other bags. And you can also carry it crossbody on the shoulder. And then you can also add the statement strap, which is the first time that I have actually purchased the statement strap. So pretty much you have to get rid of the current strap that the bag has, and then you buy the statement strap, which I thought was really, really beautiful. The statement strap comes in several colors, so I picked the one that went with this bag in the taupe, and you can carry it on the shoulder. So I thought it added a nice little touch to the bag. So I thought, and I even thought to myself, oh my God, the statement strap is so beautiful. I'm gonna buy it for the black purse, for this one, and I'm gonna get it for the chestnut because you can also put it in the mini Maestra. And then as soon as I found out how you switch the strap, I changed my mind. It is near impossible to switch the strap. The website tells you that you have to, thank God I read this because if not I would have gone crazy. I read about it and it said that you can easily remove the strap. You're supposed to pretty much blow dry the leather with a blow dryer. You have to kind of like warm up the leather. But if you can see, as you can see here, the strap has a bolt where you put the, you have the little bolts that you put in the hole, which I've had experience with those bolts. And in my big Maestra bag, I have the dragon leather, which is a lot, it's not as soft as the pebbled, and not as, it took me forever to adjust the straps because it was very hard to get this little bolt through the hole to adjust the size. But once you do it, it worked out. It hurts your thumb for like a day or two, but you get it done. In this case, you actually have to heat up this area and you have to get this bolt through this loop. So you have to unattaching it from the hole is not the hard part. That's actually the easy part. It's when you go to remove this loop right here, when you have to remove the bolt through the loop, it is impossible because the loop is so tight around the strap, it doesn't open up wide enough for the bolt to go through. So I didn't find any videos on YouTube that really explained this. I mean, I think I found one where she just mentioned, that it was a little bit difficult, but you do have to blow dry the leather to make it a lot softer. It wasn't easy at all. I think I even considered returning the handbag because I just got so frustrated with it. And then I was like, well, let me just test it out. Then you feel that you're kind of ruining your brand new bag. And this bag is not cheap. I know it's not the price of a Louis Vuitton bag or something like that, but these Senreve bags, they're very good quality bags. And they're a little bit more expensive. They cost over $500. So you would think that this is something that should be a little bit more easy. I really hope that the brand actually comes up with a new method. Maybe the bolt could be removable and you could unscrew it and screw it back, or just come up with an easier way to put on the statement strap, because it is not easy at all how they say on the website that you just blow dry it for a little bit. You have to stick something through the loop to stretch it out, and then it'll easily come off. I did all that. I put like a makeup brush, like a blending brush through the loop. I blow dried it for a little bit, got it a little, you get it a little bit loose, I was so scared that I was gonna break that loop. It took me maybe about 30 minutes to get one off. My 2 fingers were in pain. I feel like they were almost bruised. It took forever. I think that when I put the strap back on, I'm literally just gonna put it over the loop. And I just decided pretty much, I really love the bag, so I didn't really want to return it, and I think it looks really nice with a statement strap, so I figured my sand color I would use with a statement strap, and my black one I would just keep the regular strap, and I will not be buying any more straps to change or to make the other ones be able to go back and forth, because if I have to do that back and forth, I will die, and I don't think it's worth it. So I really do think that they need to come up with a better way to switch the strap, and I'm sorry to ramble about the strap, but it was really impossible, and I don't think it's worth it if you have to go through all that trouble just to put a strap on the back. So I really feel that next time I want to put on the strap again, I'm not even gonna put the bolt through the loop. I'm just gonna tie it down like this and put it through the hole if I want to wear it, you know, as a crossbody or as a backpack, because putting the bolt through the little hole is not the problem. It's being able to put the bolt through this little loop, but after, I'm not even gonna use the loop. I'm just gonna, you know, put the bolt through the hole and use it like that. I think it's not gonna fall apart because the bolt is really strong and stuff like that, but just this loop, it's just, I can't do it again. But all in all, I really do love the Aluna bag, and I think it looks really, really beautiful with a statement strap. I will definitely keep you guys posted on how comfortable it is to wear. I think it's a really nice bag, and the colors this brand makes are amazing. The material is amazing. I absolutely love it. I think the next one I have my eye on is the new one that's like the circle one, and I absolutely love it. But I definitely think I gravitate more towards these neutral colors like the chestnut, and they also have really beautiful lighter colors that have come out. They just constantly come out with new colors. But I definitely think that the sand and the chestnut are my 2 favorite colors from the entire brand. They put so much thought into the handbag and everything and all the little details. So I really hope that they do change the way that they, you know, allow you to put on the statement strap, because it just doesn't seem like something that goes with what I've seen with the brand so far. And last but not least, I wanted to share with you guys the gift that I got with my 2 purchases. Again, which I think it's so beautiful. They came in these adorable little dust bags. And then the very first one is this one. It's kind of like a little card case in the dragon leather, and this is in the black. It has 3 slots in the front and 3 other slots in the back, and then it also has a little slot in the middle. So this is the gift that I got with the first purchase. Here is the other color. This is more the cream color. I had to really take down the lighting so that you could actually see it. Again, same thing, dragon leather, and it has all the different slots in the front and the back, and then of course the one in the middle. So that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my new Senreve purchases. I'm gonna go ahead and list them in the description box down below, the color, the style, the type of leather, just in case you guys want to check them out. Let me know what other type of handbag videos you guys would like to see, because I love doing these. I feel like definitely handbags is my thing. Love handbags, and I feel like Senreve is like my current obsession right now. They're pretty much the bags that I have been wearing non-stop, and even though I haven't really used these 2 new bags, I am very familiar already with these 2 models. They're some of my favorite models that I absolutely love, and like I said at the beginning, I am also going to list those other videos down below in case you want more information on other Senreve bags or more details on the sizes and things like that. So as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching Be Lounge Makeup. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye.